Hey my darlings, and welcome back for a brand new video. Today we have another GlossyBox unboxing video. If you've been a subscriber of my channel for a while now, you'll know that I've been doing regular GlossyBox unboxing videos each month, and I have been absolutely loving going through the products in detail with you and trying them out and seeing what I think of them as well. And that is exactly what we are doing today for the June GlossyBox. So if you are new to my channel and you don't know what GlossyBox is, I'm just going to give you a quick little rundown of what it is before we get into it, just in case you're not aware, so that you can see what you think of it. So GlossyBox is a monthly subscription service, and it's something that you can sign up for either just a one-off 1 month subscription, or you can sign up for 3 months, 6 months or 12 months. So the cost of the box is normally £10 per month, but the longer you sign up for, the cheaper the box is. So in some cases you'll get your box for just £8.50 each month if you sign up for that little bit longer. So if it's something you know you're going to love and you want to receive every single month, you may as well make them cost savings as well. In addition to that, I have a discount code of Hazel20, which I'll pop on the screen, and that enables you to get your first box for just £8. Now let me give you a little bit of context behind that. The box is worth at least £50 every single month, so £8 to get you minimum of £50 I think is absolutely crazy. You get some beautiful products every single month, such as beauty, skincare, hair care, sometimes nail products, sometimes perfumes as well, face masks, any kind of pampering thing, which is absolutely amazing. And to receive all of that for just £8 I think is an absolute steal. If you've been here for a while now, you will know I'm the absolute saving queen, the bargain queen. I think it's absolutely great to save money where we can, and to utilise discount codes and to utilise coupons and all of that good stuff, because it's all about saving those coins where you can, and that is what's great about GlossyBox. So first off, I just want to kind of appreciate the packaging. I mean, I say this every single time, but what beautiful boxes to reuse for gifts for people, for storage purposes in your own home as well. It's all about recycling and making the most of what we have. So when you open your box up, you are greeted with a little card here, and this card tells you all about the month's box that you've received. So this month has the theme of World of Beauty, so every single month will have a different theme to it. This is what it looks like. It's very nice. And this card tells you all about the products inside the box, a little bit about them, how to use them as well, which is great. But it also tells you what their retail price is, which means you can add up all the prices and work out the cost savings you have made by purchasing a GlossyBox, which is fab. So you turn the card over and it tells you a little bit more about GlossyBox and the benefits of being a member. So one of the benefits are Glossy credits. So Glossy credits are something you can receive every single time you fill out surveys. So you can do little mini reviews online of the products in each box to earn Glossy credits, and then you can reuse them on Look Fantastic, which is fab. So you're earning even more money for just reviewing products you've already received, and then you can buy more beauty products with it. And then you can also earn them from referring a friend to, and then also filling out reviews as well. Another great place is the Glossy Lounge. So the Glossy Lounge will give you discount codes for some top brands such as Foreo, Illamasqua, Virgin Wines and more as well. And then it tells you who the Glossy of the month is, and then finally it gives you a little sneak peek on the next month's box. So I will tell you about that first, because this June box has actually sold out already. So you may want to keep your eyes peeled and sign up for the July box now before it sells out, because believe me, GlossyBox sells out extremely quickly. So the July box will be filled with tropical vibes to give you that aloha feeling no matter where you spend your summer. Perfect for the situation we're in right now in the world. You can expect colourful and nourishing products, including the multitasking lip and cheek balm from the Beauty Crop. Formulated with coconut and apricot oils, its creamy texture will condition and hydrate your palette, whilst also adding a fresh rosy flush to your complexion. It has a little picture of it and it looks amazing. I love little lip products like that for your handbag. I think they're great. So anyway, without waffling on too much more, let's get straight on into the unboxing part. This is the gorgeous packaging this month's box. Every box is honestly designed so beautifully. Some months you'll have a standard pink box, some months you'll have a different looking box. They also have limited edition boxes too. That's another thing to keep your eyes peeled on, because they will have limited editions. In the past they have had a Elemis limited edition, which was incredible. The products in there were worth so much money, and the boxes are so affordable. So this is the little sneak peek first off. So I think to start with, I am going to show you this product here. So these are makeup removing cloths by the brand called the Vintage Cosmetic Company. Now I will open these up in a second. First off, let's read a little bit more about them. So to start with, these retail for £7.99. So straight away, you've pretty much almost 1p short made your money back when using my discount code. And these are eco-friendly makeup removing cloths. One side is the removing cloth just to cleanse your face, and then the other side helps to exfoliate your skin as well. So what a great dual purpose thing to add into your makeup kind of evening cleansing routine. It says that all you need to do is wet your cloth and glide the side with the short fibres over your skin to cleanse and remove makeup, then use the other side to exfoliate your complexion. No cleansing lotions required. So let's see what these babies look like. Also, it says that you can get 25% off with a code as well here. So if you really like using it, you can then use your code to get 25% off their website, which is amazing. So the cloths look very exciting. So you get 2 cloths in here. These sort of cloths can be really expensive. So $7.99 for 2 is great. So the leopard print, which makes things that little bit more exciting. I am that sort of person who loves having pretty things in my collection of things, even when it comes to cleaning the house. If you have something that's a little bit more exciting looking, it just makes that process that little bit more enjoyable. And I'm not sure about you guys, but taking off my makeup is not the top of my list of fun things to do. Sometimes I find it really, really tedious. So to have nice, fun things like this to use makes it so much easier. So this is the normal side to just cleanse your face, and then it tells you this is the right side to use to exfoliate your skin as well. So what great things to use, and eco-friendly too, which makes it even better. Right, so the next product I'm going to share with you, I think is probably one that everyone is going to jump about and be so excited about, because it is a Huda Beauty product. Now, I know everyone loves Huda Beauty so much, and this is called the Lifeliner. This retails for £18. £18, guys, for a box that only costs you £8 or £10. Please. It's crazy, isn't it? So this is a dual-ended eyeliner, and it has a liquid eyeliner on one end and then a creamy pencil on the other end. This is waterproof, smudge-proof, and also really long-lasting. First off, the packaging. I love the simplicity of the Huda Beauty packaging. I just love the black, the sleekness, the kind of shape of it. It just looks really lovely. So this side is the liquid eyeliner side. The brush is really, really nice and skinny, so it looks like it'd be great for precision. And then the other side is going to be the pencil side. This is actually a twisty pencil like that. So I love that, because I think it's such a pain sometimes when you have to sharpen the pencil, because if you haven't got a sharpener to hand, then it's going to be a problem. So something like this would be great if you're traveling as well, going on holiday. I know we can't do that just yet, but something great to use for that purpose. So something you're probably going to receive nearly every single month in your GlossyBox is some kind of face mask, eye mask, or lip mask. Now, if you're like me, that makes me very happy, because I use face masks all the time, every single week. I love a face mask. I think they're amazing. So this month I have an eye mask. This is by the brand Beautinique, I think that's how you say it, Beauty, and this is called the Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gel Patches. They brighten, hydrate, and depuff your eyes. They're ideal for tired and overworked eyes, jet lag, and then pre-party prep as well. And there's cucumber, rose extract, green tea, and hyaluronic acid. This is what the packaging looks like. This retails for £5. I love under eye masks. If you haven't tried them before, you really, really need to. These are actually gel masks too. They're so cooling, so hydrating. I feel like they help with my little fine lines as well, just to kind of fill them in a little bit, if that makes sense. They make my skin a lot more hydrated and help to get rid of them dark bags. I just think all round under eye masks are amazing. They can be a little bit slippery though. They are best to pop on when you're just having a little lay down. Okay, so the next product we have is a Model Co liquid metal eyeshadow, which I'll get out of the packaging in a second. This retails for £15, and this says that it's a creamy liquid eyeshadow boosting a highly pigmented formula that will coat your eyelids in an iridescent sparkly glow. Use the cushion top to apply along your lash line to create a precise wing, or sweep it across your whole lid and blend it out for an all over glittery effect. So first off, I want to talk about the colour. Look at the colour of this. It's a beautiful, beautiful, like champagne-y kind of golden colour, and this is actually called Champagne. Surprise, surprise. So when you open it, you've got a nice little, like, one of these sort of applicators, and then here is a little swatch of this product. So look how absolutely stunning that is. It's so pigmented, like it says. I'm going to blend it out as well. Look at that. Look how beautiful that would be all over your eyelid. This actually looks like something that you could potentially use as well, either on top of your makeup for like a really highlighted cheekbone, or maybe underneath your foundation if you're wearing some kind of sheer foundation, or if you're wearing tinted moisturizer as well, just to add a really good sheen under this area. I think it would look amazing. So I'm so excited to try that product out. And then the last thing in the box is a LA Splash eyeshadow brush set. and this is worth £15, and you have a setting and defining brush inside. Now before I even show you these, I want to say LA Splash is a great brand. I received some eyelashes in a previous beauty box and they were amazing, and I've repurchased them and love them so much, so I can only imagine how great these are going to be. So here is the setting brush. It's just like a nice fluffy brush, just like the kind of standard brush that you can use all over your eye just to pack on a colour. And then next you have a defining brush too. This looks perfect for like gel eyeliner, or maybe filling in your eyebrows, or if you wanted to do a wing eyeliner with powder as well. So guys, that is the June unboxing of GlossyBox. I really hope you enjoyed it. Did you get a GlossyBox this month? Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of it. Overall, I say this time and time again, but I have never been disappointed by GlossyBox. Every single month there are things that I absolutely love using, things that I want to repurchase, things that I would never have necessarily tried without GlossyBox, and then I try new products out and I'm like, wow, that is so good. So it's really great if you're someone that wants to experiment, try new things. Maybe you don't want to spend loads of money and you just want to spend £8-10 a month and get this box and treat yourself without breaking the bank. It's great for that as well. Also, it's something great that you could give to someone as a gift. So you might want to give it to your mum, your sister, your friend, someone in your family, a special someone who you want to treat. It's something that you could sign up for their birthday, sign up for a year, 6 months, 3 months, just a 1 month gift. Something that can arrive at their door and they can just feel extra pampered, extra special, and I just think it's amazing. So if you want to sign up to GlossyBox, I will leave all the details in the description box down below, including my discount code and also the direct link to their website. So all you need to do is go down below, click that link, and you can browse their website and sign up if you're interested in doing that. This box has sold out, like I said. Now they do have a mystery box each month. That box is also worth at least £50. However, that has also sold out. The demand is extremely high. So you can sign up for the July box. So I would recommend doing that now if you're interested, because it will sell out very quickly. Now I always do a little wrap up at the end of these videos, and I can confirm this box was worth £60.99 this month. So again, just kind of run that past in your mind of figures and how amazing that is for cost saving purposes. Some months it's crazy high as to what you receive. A couple of months back it was around £120, so it is so worth it. If you're someone that's been eyeing it up a while, I strongly suggest to take the leap and sign up, because you will not be disappointed. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and thank you so much for GlossyBox for working with me again, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye.